Hi guys! Costco has some tasty new additions to their 2025 poke lineup, and I'm excited to share it with y'all. For the longest time at my Costco, they had only offered the ahi tuna spicy poke and the ahi tuna wasabi poke. But this year, Costco now offers a sriracha salmon poke, and I am here for it. I'm so excited about it, and I just thought I'd share it with y'all. My family and I had actually tried it about 2 weeks ago and we loved it. I am at Costco today to pick up a few things and plan on having some sriracha salmon poke for lunch. So before leaving the house, I had made some sushi rice so that we can eat it with the sriracha salmon poke after our Costco trip. If you haven't made sushi rice before, it's super easy to make, and the recipe is available on my website at www.eatwithemily.com. So let me show y'all the sushi and poke that is now available at my Costco. Just take a look at all this deliciousness. The sushi is made by a company called Snow Fox. This here is a spicy maki trio for $12.59. Yeah, I tried these before and they are pretty darn spicy. Not gonna lie. Next is the salmon avocado deluxe for $15.99. If I'm gonna eat sushi with raw fish on it, I prefer there be some kind of sauce on top of it to give it some flavor, but my kids enjoy them as is. Next is the California Crunch Combo for $10.99. Fresh sushi rolls are, of course, always the best, but in a pinch, these are better than nothing. Next is the kimbap combo for $10.59. I love kimbap, but I haven't tried these yet. I'm definitely going to grab some on my next Costco trip. Now let's go over the Kirkland Signature poke options. First one here is the new sriracha salmon poke. The salmon tasted fresh and the sriracha adds a mild kick. My whole family enjoyed this one, therefore I am back for more. Next, there's a nigiri tray with salmon and ahi tuna for about $21. I don't know what to say about this one as it's just basically rice with raw fish. But I heard that it is made in-house. Next is a spicy ahi tuna poke. I've seen mostly good reviews and I've tried it as well. I thought it was alright. What I did was add it to my homemade poke bowls. The last one is the wasabi ahi tuna poke. This one seems to be the most popular poke here as there's only 2 containers left. The people have spoken and it looks like this one is the winner. Have any of you guys tried the Costco Sushi or poke? Let me know in the comments section what you think of it. At my Costco, just across the way from the sushi and pokes, are the Kirkland Signature Organic Roasted Seaweed Snacks. I would highly recommend picking this up if you're going to buy any of the pokes. I'll show you what you can do with them later in this video. Here's my haul for today, guys. OMG, these marshmallow cookies are the best, guys. It's actually the second time that I picked these up. You gotta give these a try. I'm a big fan of these chicken wings, especially the sweet chipotle barbecue flavor. They cook up perfectly in the air fryer. Man, and these ribs, they were better than expected. I had slathered some of the barbecue sauce on them and warmed them in the oven. They were delicious. I was in need of some CR2032 batteries and lucky me, these were on sale. My family loved the shrimp cocktail here. However, I find that they don't provide enough lemon slices or cocktail sauce. I like my shrimp lemony, so I usually squeeze about an entire lemon over all the shrimp. For extra cocktail sauce, it's not a problem, as I usually have a bottle of it in my fridge. Also, kimchi was on sale for only $5, so I had to get some for my husband. And then, of course, I grabbed a rotisserie chicken because who would leave Costco without a $5 rotisserie chicken? Please tell me who? Who? Well, this is not quite everything that I had purchased as I didn't have time to film the rest of my shopping trip. I had to hurry home to make lunch for my boys. Okie dokie, lunchtime guys. I'm going to make some sushi wraps with the sriracha salmon and the roasted seaweed snacks that I had purchased earlier. I'm going to first sprinkle some furikake over my sushi rice, and this is the brand that I'm using. I like the one on the left and my kids like the one on the right. You can usually find these at an Asian market, but I had also found them at Ralph's. Next, we need some slices of cucumber and some diced avocados. Alright, let's start assembling our little sushi wraps. Place a seaweed sheet on a plate, then add the rice, add the cucumbers, add the avocados, then lastly, lay a piece of the sriracha salmon on top of the rice. And that's it, guys. So simple yet delicious. You can eat it as is or sprinkle some more of the furikake on top. You can also make a spicy mayo, which is simply using Kewpie mayo combined with sriracha. And just squeeze some of that over the top if you like. Enjoy! Thanks so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Have a fantastic day, y'all. And until my next video, I'll see you later, alligator. Bye!